What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Little Scale Cars YouTube channel. Today we've got something a little bit weird. So picked this up at Walmart, and as you can see, price reduced 88 cents on this mystery pack. However, picking it up, you can instantly tell there's something different about it. Flick that over to the back, you can see it's been opened, and the store resealed it basically. And they just kind of threw a bunch of cars in here, because I can feel 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 cars in here at least. Probably 3 as my guess. 3 or 4. And there was actually a bunch of like the 8-packs with cars missing out of it. So there's really no saying what could possibly be in this thing. But I just thought it'd be a lot of fun to open it up and see what we get. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Get the scissors on it. So, this is from, like, Series 1 from this year, I think. So, there's not going to be anything, none of the, like, oh, the sticker is still in there. Okay, so aerodynamic is whatever the car that's supposed to be in here, I guess. Oh, look at that. We got this thing. Is this aerodynamic? I don't even know. These fantasy cars. No, this is Paradox, and it's got a bent wheel. So, you know, strike out on the first one. Oh, wow, I get the exact same thing. That's, okay. Well, for 88 cents, and there is only one more car in here. And, oh, that one's actually kind of cool. Yeah, I like that one quite a bit. So, strikeout, 3 fantasies, nothing that was from the 8-packs as far as I can tell. But yeah, this one's actually kind of cool. This one's worth it to me alone. But instead of ending the video right there and kind of being a little bit anticlimactic, a little boring, let's go ahead and unbox a few other things that I have acquired recently, starting with the Matchbox Moving Parts Chevy Blazer Eevee. Went ahead and picked this one up because I just think the Blazer is kind of cool, and the Eevee Blazer is kind of cool as well. But I really only like them in this red color, and so this Moving Parts edition I just thought was fun, interesting, and unique enough that I said, you know what, it's not really the kind of thing I typically collect, but I kind of like it, so I'm going to have it. Really like the tampo work up front. Looks really nice. Tampo work in the back. Obviously, the moving part is the hood, which is a little weird because it's an electric car, so it's not like there's an engine to show off up there. Is that as far as it opens? That's interesting. Alright, anyway, we'll put that down right there and move on to the other moving parts that I picked up, which is the Bollinger B2. I originally wasn't really interested in picking this one up, but went ahead and did it anyway. Worst case scenario, if I don't like it, I do know somebody I can send this one to, in case they don't find it. So, and they're also a loose collector like me, so they won't care that I've opened it up already. Let's get this out of there. Oh, now this means moving parts like stiff. Interesting. Alright, so I don't really actually know much about this vehicle or this truck at all, or this brand at all, so yeah, it's cool looking though. Very interesting. Definitely something I could, at the very worst case, use for my little truck collection that I do have, even though I don't ever post about my trucks. But that is not all either. Let's go ahead and unbox some Hot Wheels. So we'll start off with this one. This is one of the few fantasy castings I've grabbed recently. This is the Solero GT. This one came from a P case. I grabbed the, what was it, like gray color of this earlier in the year, but this orange one, even though it's like a matte orange, I just thought this one like really popped. This one definitely looks better than the gray one, in my opinion at least, but yeah, pretty cool. But I think the two highlights are really these last two. We'll start off with the new Viper casting, the Viper RT. Go ahead and give that one an unbox. Oh yeah, that looks really cool. Cannot wait to do a full review of this one, which I'm going to actually start focusing more on the Hot Wheels, just so that we can get our ranked video out before the end of the year. This just looks good. This is wild. I never really realized how inaccurate the old regular Viper casting was until they started showcasing that. And now here's the final one that we'll unbox. Boom. I did manage to find a Bugatti Bolide. I'm actually going to be a little bit more careful with this one, because on the chance that this is the only Bolide I find, I would kind of like it to have a slightly decent card still. That wasn't... Yeah, it's not great, but it's not too bad either. I do know there's some mush I need to... Oh, crap, that doesn't come off. Dang. So you see right there? I knew that was on there, but I thought it's something that would just wipe off. So that's a little bit of a bummer, but not the end of the world. Pretty cool. Yeah, we'll do a full review of this casting too at some point down the road. But for now, that is all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.